So this is Greg Nuys of Pacific West Home Inspections, and I'm doing a house or a townhouse in Van Nuys today on Woodman. And the unit is 103. So this might be 4 or 5. There's 5 units in the building, or yeah. So this is a newer unit, newer equipment. And this is built in 2005, and this is a 2.5 ton unit, Bryant. We call it a gas package unit. It's both a furnace and AC unit, so it's newer. Everybody else in the building's got older ones, so your unit 103 has got a new unit. A couple things here on the gas line coming in is missing a sediment trap. Piece of pipe that comes down, and then this electrical cable here is supposed to be attached to the body here by a clamp, which is not. A couple things, and then they did put a flexible gas line on, so we like to see that, and it's on a platform. And then I was looking for the condensation line, how it drains. So that's on this side here. So the condensation water from the air conditioner comes down here and drains in your gutter, so it doesn't drain on the roof. It's a composition shingle. It's a second layer, and there has been some repairs done already. And typically this roof has about a 20-year life on it, and it probably has about another 8 to 10 years left on it. Where we look at a roof, we see how rigid it is, and this is rigid, and we look for deterioration of the edges here, and there's no flashing here, so it tells me it's the second layer. The first layer had a metal flashing there, and the second layer they got a cheap roofer, a cheap estimate, low cost estimate, and they didn't replace the flashing. You do have a satellite dish here, and I don't test satellites, so I'm not sure if it's directed right or where it's headed. So if you look at the other units up here, you'll see they're older. Here's a good-looking realtor. He's actually up here in the roof today, and first time that's ever happened for me. So he's going the extra mile for you. Anyway, this is what you got up here, and this again, Greg Nuys, Pacific West Home Inspections, and I can be reached at 818-362-5578.